sauce. It's amazing. Drop like this too. Hey guys, welcome back. It's your girl Nancy, and it is 12 days of Korean food with Nancy. So we just finished unboxing my package that I got from the Korean Food Promotion Institute, and right now we're about to make our first dish. So we'll be making the Kimchijeon, and we'll be pairing it with another meal. So as you can see, my hair is off. Like, I took my wig off because bruh, these people, they are so good with measurement, and I'm not in the mood, or I'm not ready to have wigs in my eyes and then I mistakenly pour something that's too much or too small. So yes, I'm natural hair. And I'm so nervous, yeah, like I don't want to make something that doesn't make sense. So yeah, so the ingredients are here, and I'm going to show you what I will be using to make this, the Kimchijeon, and how to prepare it. Luckily for me and luckily for you, we have our preparation, like the whole recipe and how to make it is in here. So it's very simple, and we'll just get on with it. Let's go. Add our kimchi to a pot, our red chili pepper powder, and our Korean pancake mix as well. We're going to add our half cup of water, mix the batter, and whisk it to remove any lumps. Water should be added a little bit at a time while stirring, not all at once. And we're just going to keep mixing till we are sure there are no lumps left. To make our vinegar soy sauce, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of water, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of white sugar. And then we're going to mix properly. I was really scared of, adding this to the mix because I don't like vinegar. Now that we have all that set up, we are going to go ahead and coat a frying pan with 2 to 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil over medium heat. Now you want to scoop that batter that we mixed, and using a large spoon, you want to put it into your frying pan. Make sure to spread it out properly. I didn't do that, so you see the Kimchijeon was not spread out properly. So make sure when you put it into the frying pan, you use your spoon to spread them out. And then you want to keep flipping from one side to the next, to the other side, till it turns golden brown. You just have to keep flipping it brown. Our Deonjangjjigae, I'm always very careful when pronouncing that. Our soybean paste stew, you want to add 3.5 cups of water to a pot, and add our vegetable as salted A. You want to add your 1 stock cube and boil them at high heat. Then you want to reduce the heat to medium once it boils, and set aside to simmer for another 10 minutes with the lids closed. Now we're going to go ahead and take out our cap from the pot, just the cap that came in with the vegetable assorted A, and leave the vegetables in the pot. And then we're going to go ahead and add our beef to the mix and just let it boil for some minutes. We're going to go ahead and add our vegetable assorted B to the boiling water, and add our freeze-dried tofu and leave it to boil for another 5 minutes. To make the doenjang broth, which is the soybean paste, we want to add 1/4 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of soybean paste, and in the recipe it said we should use 1 stock cube, but the only stock cube that came in with the box we already used to cook earlier, so we didn't add 1 stock cube because there was no stock cube left for us to use. But yeah, so we just added the water and the soybean paste, and we're just going to mix till it's properly smooth. Now we're going to go ahead and add the soybean paste that we just mixed into the boiling water mixed with vegetables. We're going to add our red chili pepper, and we're just going to turn and let it boil for some few minutes, and that's it, I guess. But yeah, we're just gonna let it boil and we're ready to eat. And our kimchijeon is ready, and our doenjangjjigae, something like that, because it's ready. So let's first of all disclaimer, I'm not good. Don't come for me, because I'll come for you. So let's try it out without the sauce. Oh, we have the sauce that we mixed. So let's try the kimchijeon. Jesus is Lord. Oh, this is cool. Oh, this is nice. And I'm going to try with the sauce. I don't like vinegar, and vinegar is here, so let's just see what's this happening. Listen. Okay. Really not much difference, anyways. Are they cooked die? What? Even if the instructions was there, but you can still have instructions and mess up. And now for this one, the doenjangjjigae. So this is the one with the soybean paste, and this is how it looks. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it has a lot of beef, and that is like my go-to. I'm just going to pack the beef and the tofu and the soup, and let's go. Okay, I didn't add salt, but it's tasting like there's salt in it. As I cook, I did cook die. All right. So this is the day 1. This is the end of day 1 of 12 days of Korean food with Nancy, and we just make kimchijeon and doenjangjjigae, and with the sauce. And let me tell you, this tastes amazing. Get ready for day 2. Let's go.